Hi everybody, welcome back to the TechSupper channel. So this video is part of Oracle Integration Knowledge Chat playlist and this is part 5. So if you would like to get notified every time I publish a new video, you don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on a bell icon to get regular updates. Now, if you would like to see the previous videos of this playlist, you will see the playlist URL in the description. Now, let's get started. The next question is, can we replace connections in the existing integration? For example, if we have our integration ABC, and in that ABC integration, we have used one connection of REST type, and the connection name is REST1. If we have another connection REST2, can I replace the connection REST1 to REST2 in integration ABC? The options are yes or no. The answer is yes. Oracle integration allows us to replace the same type of connections in the existing integration, meaning REST to REST, SOAP to SOAP, FTP to FTP, and the role must be same as well. The next question is, which is not the valid action in Oracle integration? So when you build your integration, you use various inbuilt actions. So let's look at the list of the actions as the options: data stitch, notification, exit, callback, and return. So I hope you have used all those actions, but which is not the correct action in Oracle integration and which does not exist? If you don't know, you can go into Oracle integration canvas and see the list of actions available. If you have seen this, then you will know the correct answer. But the correct answer is exit. The next question, how many tracking parameters can be enabled in an integration? And I hope everybody knows about it. The reason is this is one of the mandatory configuration that you have to do when you are building an integration. So you might be knowing, but the options are 2, 3, 1, and 4. And here the answer is 3. So you can enable at most 3 tracking parameter, one as a primary and other 2 are secondary. Okay, now let's get into the next question. How many reminders can be enabled at maximum in Process Cloud? So when you use a human action in Process Cloud, you can enable the reminders, but how many maximum reminders can be enabled? 2, 5, 3, or 4. If you don't know, you can use one human action and go to its property, go to the reminders and see the drop down values and see the number. So you can enable maximum 3 reminders in Process Cloud to send multiple reminders to the assignee. Okay, now let's get into the next question. The next question is like this: which is not the valid adapter in Oracle integration? So you use various adapters. Let's look at all the adapters: SurveyMonkey, Adobe Sign, Eventbrite, Instagram, Facebook. So if you don't know the list of adapters, you can go to the Oracle integration, go to the adapters, and you find out all the adapters available in Oracle integration. But what adapter is not available as of now? And the answer is Instagram. Instagram is not the adapter in Oracle integration as of now. Okay, let's get into the next question. Which 3 are valid stages of a visual builder application? So when you build the visual builder application, it goes through a various stages. So let's look at the options: stage, live, UAT, and development QA. So which 3 are valid stages of a visual builder application? If you don't know, you can create a VB application and you can switch the phases and then you will know the answers. The answer is stage, live, and development. So these three stages, each and every web application in Visual Builder can go through. Okay, what is the next question? The next question is, which two are valid sources to import the application in Visual Builder? So when you open your Visual Builder application, you will have an import button. When you click on the import button, which two options, which two sources you can use to import the application in Visual Builder? Let's look at the options. Application from file, application from object storage, application from Visual Builder Studio, application from Google Drive. So the correct answer is application from file and application from Visual Builder Studio. So you can use these two sources to import the application in Visual Builder. Okay, what is the next question? The next question is, which is not the valid option to create service connection in Visual Builder? So in Visual Builder, you can create service connections. Which is not the valid option? Let's look at the options. Select from catalog, define by endpoint, define from Swagger, define by specification. Which is not the valid option? If you don't know, you can open a Visual Builder application, go to the service connection and see the three options available. So here the answer is define by Swagger, define from Swagger. This is not the correct answer. Okay, let's get into the next question. Can we expose a web application as a PWA app in Visual Builder? Progressive web app. Progressive web app is the application which can run on multiple systems, multiple devices, be it desktop, Android phone, iOS. Can we expose a web application as PWA app in Visual Builder? Options are no and yes. The correct answer is yes. Of course, we can expose web application as a PWA with a minimal configuration. Okay, let's get into the next question. The next question is, which two backends are created by default in Visual Builder? So backend represents the backend system which you can use to call APIs, REST APIs. Which two backends are created by default? Integration, Process Cloud, Oracle Cloud Applications, Custom. So the answers are integration and Process Cloud. However, you can create Oracle Cloud Applications and custom backend, but these two are not available by default. But default are integration and Process Cloud. That's all about this. I hope you found this useful. If yes, please like, comment and share. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on a bell icon to get regular updates so that you can get the notification when we publish new videos. You can follow me on LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. That's all. Thank you. Bye-bye.